Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2003 Suzuki SV650S. This is the one with the fairing. It's got a touring windscreen on it. 39,000 miles on this beautiful 650 twin cylinder, liquid cooled. Just checked out in our service department. Make your commuting dreams come true in this gorgeous 2003. Adjustable levers, price to sell $23.99. Don't wait, this one's not gonna last long. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.